So this is a door I bought at Dollar Tree. They sell them during Christmas and they sell them in the fall usually. They still had a lot at my store, so I'm sure you can still get them. And I'm just gonna remove the elements on the door, the sign and the wreath. And now I'm just spray painting the entire door red, and I think I'm gonna do a pink one too. But you can do any color you like. So it turns out it's easy to remove the text on these. So you just take some nail polish remover, and then I sanded it down a little bit. I couldn't get the whole thing, but it's okay. Then I took some chalk paint and I just painted over the frame. I had to do a couple of coats over the black. Next, I just took some leftover plastic containers. Right now, it's a good time of the year because you could probably use ornament packaging. There's so much packaging that we can recycle, so that's what I'm doing with these. I'm just cutting them so that they're flat, and then I'm going to make little windows with them. Now I'm just taking some Mod Podge and I'm going to surround the outside of each window with it and draw like a little extra detail in each corner as if the windows are frosted over, and then I'm going to be adding some fine glitter. Next, I'm taking my lightweight spackle. I have a little bit of Mod Podge in there so that it's a little bit runnier, and I'm just drawing snow around the door, and then I will be glittering that. So I'm glittering it here, and after you glitter it, you'll be able to sculpt the spackle. You can kind of move it around after it has some glitter on it and shape it how you want. Then I'm just adding a little bit more snow detail on the other windows. And I'm using a clean dry paintbrush to clean up the excess glitter. Now I'm going to work on the little sign. I'm going to go ahead and add a decal that I made with my silhouette machine. I just want to line up the decal. It's very forgiving when you're working on wood. You can move it around as long as you don't press it down. And here I'm just going to slowly peel away the transfer paper. You want to keep your fingers very close to the surface. Don't pull. On this one, it was especially challenging. I think the chalk paint was just very dry, and so the stickers didn't really want to adhere. I had to really force them down. Now I'm going to take the same spackle and Mod Podge mixture that I used on the door, and I'm just going to make a little design around the sign. And now I'm just going to add some fake Christmas candies. The fake sprinkles are called Peppermint Cutie, and they are from glamcandyboutique.etsy.com, as well as the fake candies. So I found this artwork on Etsy and I printed it out on some cardstock, and now I'm going to cut out the same size as the paper and Mod Podge the paper down. And then I'm gonna make 2 side pieces and a bottom piece. So it's not quite a box, but almost. So I basically took a much wider picture and I cut it into 3 pieces, and it's almost like the image is going to wrap around, just so that the fantasy isn't spoiled when you look through the window. If you look to the left, it's not going to be stark white, and you're going to see more of the secret room. So now I'm gonna do the bottom piece, and this is gonna be a little shelf to hold your tea lights. I'm gonna go ahead and paint mine a dark brown. You could also paint it black. I just don't think you should leave it stark white on the bottom. And so that's where your tea lights will sit when we're done with the project. When your door is completely dry, you want to go ahead and glue on your little diorama here. So I'm just using some hot glue, and then I'm gonna glue it to the back of the door. To make everything look finished and nice, I'm just going to glue down some foam, some craft foam in red on the back and the sides. I just want to add a few more little magical touches, some little elf footprints. You could also print these off in different colors and put them on your floor if you have tile or wood. And I wanted to paint the door handle white. I'm adding a couple little mints over the screws. It's the little details for me that make it. So I wanted to do that. And I also added a little green bow above the sign. So here's the completed door in the daytime so you can really see it. I love the little candlelight flicker and how you just get a little peek into a magic room with elves working. And there's Santa. And here it is at nighttime, and I've added some magical snow and glitter effects. Can't you just see your little ones going up to this door and peeking into Santa's workshop? It's so cute. It adds so much magic. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment, share. It all helps so much. So thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas.